Whether you're a new user or learning about a new feature, Noterro's here to take care of your questions so you can focus on taking care of your patients. For example, say you wanted a brief video overview of our navigation tools. Sure, we can do that. Let's start somewhere easy. The search bar. Use it to find things you're searching for, like patients, labels, and invoices. Right now, we don't have any, but click the plus icon next to it, and we can have as many as we need. Over here, we have our personal settings, our clinic settings, which has many shortcuts that are useful for our practice, and our notifications. This question mark over here? That is our help center. We've got a number of ways to help you, from video tutorials like the one we're in now, one-on-one chats with our team, or from Lucy, our AI assistant, who you can find in this tab here as well. At this point, you should be ready to get started, but if you're unsure of where to get started, our Explore tab can run you through the essentials. Now, this bar here we've covered will be available on every screen. Think of it like your Swiss Army knife of helpful buttons. At Noterro, we want our help center to offer the same level of support that the rest of our service already provides. So if you have any questions or suggestions on how we can best help you and your practice, the help center is just a click away.